second grade. Today we are going to learn to write equations using repeated addition to find the total number of objects in an array. You remember I told you last week you were kind of learning what you would at the beginning of multiplication, right? We needed rows and how many in each row. That's what you do. That's what we're going to do today too. But those are now called, I'm going to tell you, those are called arrays. And we have a row of something and then how many in each row? Those are called arrays. Those circles and stuff are called an array. Okay? All right. Don't draw this. Okay? Don't draw this. Just listen. Okay? How many objects are in each row? Or how many circles are in each row? Isaac? Nope. Matthias? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many rows are there? Finley? 2. 2. How many objects in all? Grayson? Look at mine. You have to look up here. You're not going to say anything. How many objects in all? 8. All right. Here's the problem for what you're going to draw. Are you ready? It says use counters to model the problem and then draw a picture of your model. Are you going to use counters? No, you're just going to draw it for me, okay? Okay, here is the story problem. Clayton has 3 rows of trading cards. Do that now. Clayton has 3 rows of trading cards. There are 5 cards in each row. Bless you. Okay, here's the question. How many trading cards does Clayton have? All right, so let's look here. Let me ask you a question. How many rows did you make with your circles or your squares? Lena? 3. Why did you place 5 counters in each row? It told you that there are 5 trading cards in each row, right? So you would put 5 in each row. Why is it important to draw 5 items in each row? Shannon? Okay, it told you to do that, but if you didn't do that, then what? Finley? Yes, you would not get the correct answer. If you only did 4 in each row, you would not get the correct answer, would you? How many trading cards does Clayton have all together? Ivan? 15. 15. Okay, I didn't draw it. I probably should have. 3 rows. 5 in each row. And how many did he have total? 15 trading cards. Make sure you write this down. 15 trading cards. I write it nice and big for you. Okay, something I did not have you do on here, I want you to do really quick, is count. You don't have to flip your papers back over, it's fine. But I want you to skip count with me so that we are skip counting when we're finding the answer. So this is 5, so this would be 5, 10, 15. Okay? Or we could have counted by 3s going down, right? We could have did 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. No matter what, we still get the same answer, right? Yep, no matter which way we count. If you count down by 3s, you'll still get the same answer. If you count the rows by 5, so you'll still get 15. Both of them will still get the answer of 15. Okay. Now we are going to do the model and draw. Let's read the story problem, or the directions. You can use addition to find the total amount when you have equal groups. Okay, they have 3 rows of 4. We just did this on the last one. Let's do it on here. Are they going down or are they going sideways? Sideways. They're doing the rows. They're counting the rows, okay? So they're saying this is 4. So they're doing 4 right here, okay? Then this is 4 again. So they're adding another 4. And this is 4 again. So they're adding another 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is what? Think about 2 4s. 2 4s is what? And then add 4 more. Everyone tell me out loud.
12.
So how many in all? 12 in all. Okay. Do you think you can do this on here? On the share and show? Just like on number 1, I just want you to remember, look, there's only 1, 2, 3 add-ins for you to add together. So make sure that you're going, you're just doing the rows. Okay? I think they're all doing the rows. Yeah, they're counting the rows. Okay? So how many in each row is what you're adding together. Sound good? Okay. Okay, boys and girls, on number 9, Miss Chen makes 5 rows of chairs. So you need to draw 5 rows. She puts 2 chairs in each row. You need to make sure on each row there's 2, and then count them, and then put how many are in there. George has 3 fish bowls, so I would draw 3 fish bowls. There are 4 fish in each bowl. Draw 4 fish in each bowl. How many fish are in the bowls? You can count them, okay? Now, number 11 is the hard problem. We will do number 11 together. There are 6 photos on the wall, okay? 6 total photos on the wall. So I'm going to draw 6 photos. Well, actually, it says 2 photos in each row. So I need to erase this. Okay, so here's one row. If there's 6 photos, I'm going to do another row of 2, right? And I'm going to do another row of 2 to make 6. There are 6 photos, and there are 2 photos in each row. How many rows are there? Now you guys can find that answer. How many rows are there?